Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of investing, and I've got a real treat for you. Warren Buffett's secret sauce for successful investing. Yep, the man, the myth, the legend himself. Now, I know what you're thinking. Green Waifu, Warren Buffett is like the grandmaster of investing, and I'm just starting out. Well, don't you worry, I'm here to break it down and make it as simple as enjoying your favorite Netflix series. So let's get started on the path to investment greatness. But first, who is this Warren Buffett guy? Well, he's basically one of the most successful investors in history. Picture this. He's worth billions, and he's known for his incredible wisdom when it comes to the stock market. So when Warren speaks, we listen. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big secret? Well, it's not really a secret per se, but more like a set of golden rules that have guided his investing journey. And guess what? We're about to unravel them step by step. 1. Start early and be patient. Warren's first piece of advice is all about starting early. Yep, the sooner you begin your investing journey, the better. Time is like a magical ingredient in the recipe of investing success. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound. It's like planting a tree. The best time to do it was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. 2. Invest in what you understand. Warren Buffett is all about investing in what you know. So, if you're scratching your head over complex financial instruments, maybe it's time to step back and focus on what makes sense to you. Invest in companies or industries you understand and believe in. Remember, knowledge is your superpower. Investing in what you understand isn't about limiting yourself. It's about empowering yourself. When you understand the businesses or industries you're investing in, you can make better decisions, assess risks more effectively, and have a clearer vision of your financial goals. You have the confidence to hold on to your investments during market fluctuations. You're not swayed by every piece of news because you've done your homework, and you know your investments inside out. 3. Long-term thinking. Warren's investments are like fine wine. They get better with time. Don't get swayed by the short-term ups and downs of the stock market. Instead, focus on your long-term financial goals and let your investments grow steadily. Why is this important? Well, let's break it down. Short-term thinking often leads to impulsive decisions. It's like expecting a tiny oak sapling to become a towering tree overnight. We all know that's not how nature works, and the same goes for investments. The stock market can be a wild ride. Prices can soar to the skies one day and plummet the next. If you're constantly checking your portfolio and reacting to these short-term fluctuations, you're likely to make emotional decisions that could harm your wealth. That's where the magic of long-term thinking comes in. It's about understanding that the stock market, like that oak sapling, needs time to grow and flourish. It's about knowing that despite occasional storms, your investments have the potential to provide substantial returns over the years. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Buffett doesn't put all his eggs in one basket, and neither should you. Diversification is like having a well-balanced meal. It's essential for a healthy investment portfolio. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Now, why is diversification so crucial? Well, it's like having a safety net for your investments. When you put all your money into a single asset or a handful of similar assets, you're essentially putting all your hopes on one horse in a race. If that horse stumbles, you could lose a significant chunk of your investment. But when you diversify, you're spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even some alternative investments like precious metals. Each of these assets behaves differently under various economic conditions. 5. Don't be afraid to say no. Here's a fun fact. Warren Buffett is often praised for his incredible ability to say no to most investment opportunities that come his way. Now, you might wonder why this is such a big deal. Imagine this. You're in a candy store with hundreds of different candies, chocolates, and treats lined up in front of you. Each one looks tempting and delicious. You might think, I want to try them all. But what if I told you that not all of them are as tasty or good for you as they seem? Some might even be a little sour. In the world of investing, opportunities can be just like those candies. They come in various shapes and sizes, promising all sorts of sweet rewards. But here's the kicker. Not all investments are created equal, and not all of them align with your financial goals and values. This is where Warren Buffett's wisdom shines through. He's like the seasoned candy connoisseur who knows precisely which treats are worth savoring. He doesn't let the allure of every candy on the shelf distract him. Instead, he carefully selects the ones that truly match his taste. Here's why this matters. When you say no to questionable or ill-fitting investment opportunities, you're protecting your hard-earned money from potential pitfalls. You're ensuring that your investments are in line with your long-term goals and aspirations. Saying no also gives you the power to focus on what truly matters in your investment journey. Instead of scattering your resources across a wide range of opportunities, you can concentrate your efforts on a carefully selected few. This focused approach increases your chances of success and allows your investments to flourish over time. Now, don't get me wrong. Saying no doesn't mean you should be overly cautious or never take risks. It means being selective and strategic. It means having a clear vision of your financial path and only saying yes to opportunities that align with that vision. In the world of investing, quality often trumps quantity. It's not about how many investments you have. It's about the quality of those investments. Warren Buffett's success is a testament to this principle. He didn't become a billionaire by saying yes to every opportunity that came his way. He became one by carefully choosing the right opportunities and nurturing them over time. 6. Stay calm during storms. The stock market can be as unpredictable as the weather, but Warren's like a seasoned sailor, weathering every storm. When the market goes through tough times, don't panic. Stay calm and remember your long-term goals. In fact, Warren sees market downturns as opportunities to buy great companies at discounted prices. When the market enters a turbulent phase, most people's initial instinct is to panic. They might rush to sell their investments, fearing that their hard-earned money is vanishing into thin air. However, Warren's approach is quite the opposite. He's like that experienced captain steering a ship through rough waters, maintaining composure when others might be in a frenzy. Warren's calm demeanor during market storms isn't rooted in blind optimism or wishful thinking. It's a calculated response based on his deep understanding of how markets work. He recognizes that markets are inherently cyclical, and downturns are as much a part of the game as upswings. Be greedy when others are fearful. Buffett's famous for this one. When others are running scared from the stock market, he's diving in head first. It's like a shopping spree during a big sale. The idea here is to be courageous when others are fearful. Of course, it's essential to do your homework and invest in quality companies, but don't let fear hold you back from seizing opportunities. So there you have it. Warren Buffett's not-so-secret secrets to successful investing. Remember, it's not about being a financial genius. It's about following these timeless principles and staying disciplined. Start early, be patient, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. If you found this journey into Warren's wisdom enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more financial adventures. And hey, leave a comment below to let me know which Buffett principle resonates with you the most. Until next time, my fabulous friends, stay wise and invest like a pro.